Hi, I'm Kamran Agaev. Today I'll show you the installation steps of Oracle Enterprise Linux and Oracle 10G Release 2 on the virtual machine. First of all, start downloading ISO files of Oracle Enterprise Linux directly from edelivery.oracle.com/linux address. I've downloaded all ISO files and copied it under the folder OEL5 on my desktop. In this tutorial, we'll create a virtual machine and we'll install Oracle Enterprise Linux and Oracle 10G Release 2. As a first step, let's start creating a virtual machine. Go to File, New, Virtual Machine, click on Next, select Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5, Next. Here specify the location where you are going to create a virtual machine and give a name to your virtual machine. Click Next. Specify 15 GB for disk size and check this option and click Finish. Before starting the installation, let's delete some devices. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Delete the floppy drive, USB controller, sound adapter. Set memory to 1 GB and select the first ISO file of Oracle Enterprise Linux installation and click OK and click Power button. It will automatically start booting from CD-ROM. Click Enter. Select Skip. Click Next. Here select the language and click Next. Here select the appropriate keyboard for the system and click Next. In order to create a new partitions and erase all data, click Yes. Here click Next to remove all Linux partitions. Next. Here select the country. As I'm from Azerbaijan, I select Baku and click Next. Type the root password. Click Next. Here select Customize Now option and click Next to select the package you want to install. Here we need to select necessary packages for Oracle software installation. From Applications, select only Graphical Internet. We can deselect all options. From Development Tools, select Development Libraries, Development Tools, Genome Software Development, Java Development, Legacy Software Development, and X Software Development, and click Optional Packages. Select libxpdevel and select Open Motif. From the servers, you can deselect all. From the base system, select Legacy Software Support, click Optional Packages, select the first CompatDB package. And from System Tools, select Systat and click Next. Now click Next and start the installation, and change the ISO file when you will be prompted to insert the next CD. In order to insert the next CD, click Ctrl-Alt. To go out from Virtual Machine, click on the Summary View button, double-click on CD-ROM, select the next ISO file, Click OK and click OK. The installation is completed. Now click the reboot button to reboot the system. After system reboot, we get the welcome screen. Click forward, disable the firewall, disable Linux, forward. There is no need to create a new user, just click forward button. Finish. The system will reboot again. We have successfully installed Oracle Enterprise Linux. Now log in to the system with root user. Before starting Oracle installation, I would suggest you to install VMware Tools. To install VMware Tools, go to the VM menu and select Install VMware Tools menu. Now double-click the computer, CD-ROM, copy both files to temp directory. Run the RPM file, and extract this file. Go to the extracted folder and run the PL file in terminal. Click enter. Enter. Here you can select your desired resolution. Now the installation is finished, and you can realize that we can take out the mouse out of the VMware easily. Now let's start to install Oracle software. Before starting the installation of the Oracle software, we need to perform some prerequisite steps. For these, I've created a separate file from which I just copy and paste the main commands and parameters that needed for the installation. First of all, we need to change kernel parameters of the system. For this, open the configuration file and paste all changes to it. Here's the file. Paste the configurations. Save and exit. Now run this executable to set the newly added kernel parameters. Now we need to change the Linux configuration file. Save and exit. Now change the login file. Add these lines. Save and exit. Now change the profile file. Save and exit. Now change the Red Hat release file. Just copy these lines and run it. Now create the operating system group and user, which will be the owner of the Oracle software. Here are the necessary commands. Just run it. These commands will create two groups, install and DBA, and create a new user and set a password for it. Let's type a password. Now create Oracle Software Home Directory. Now unzip the file. Before starting the installation, we need to change the owner of the folder where we're going to install the Oracle software. Change the user. Now we can start the installation. Switch to the installation folder. Start the installation. We don't need to create a starter database, so uncheck it, click Next. Next. All prerequisites are OK, except the network configuration. So click Next. Click Install to install the Oracle software. The installation is finished. Now we need to run these both shell scripts with root user. This is the root user. That's it. Okay, exit. Now reboot the system. Log in with Oracle user. Now let's create a database using Database Configuration Assistant. Click Next. Next. Get database name. Test. Next. Password for CC user. Click Finish. Now the database creation is completed. Click on Exit button. Now let's connect the database. For this, check the environment variable. And connect the database. Here put Oracle Home, and we need to set Oracle seed. That's it. I hope using this tutorial you will install Oracle 10G Release 2 to Oracle Enterprise Linux easily. Good luck and see you in the next tutorials.